final? This is the final trailer of the day. Let's see what I got. Single leader. Oh, look at that! Basic littering on a CNR wreck. Ooh! There's a normal CNR wreck. Ooh! Yeah, another one. DPU, I see you! Rear DPU! And look at that! That one is starting to move. You know what? Let's catch it moving one more time. Have to wait for an hour for the other one to go. Yeah, let's just record that one moving, I guess. Random traffic cone. Yeah, there goes that one. Well, I better get back to the car. So yeah, like and subscribe for more. See y'all when I get home. Peace.